Now this is an unusual game because not every day you see two tanks, and it's also pretty well known that Johnson and Tigreal aren't like the best EXP laners, so I'm quite curious to see how this game will play out. Right, so I think Johnson's going damage. Yeah, he's definitely going damage. Now the thing about Johnson is, um, after the change where they made him scale off physical defense, you should really be wary of his damage because he can build full tank and still hit like an absolute truck. So just take care. Let's check out Roger. Yeah, Roger. These guys are all freaking terrifying late game. I'm not gonna lie. So let's head off to their buff. I'm not sure who's roaming. Okay, so it seems like Johnson is roaming. Tigrillo is also playing damage. Huh, interesting. Okay. So having two tanks that are basically playing damage is interesting. Yep, not taking orange. We're gonna hit Nana one time. 29 seconds, that means 44 seconds we'll be able to hit someone again. Now, who's roaming? Okay, so Johnson is roaming. Very nice. Throw a wrench at me. Okay, 44 seconds, and I'll be able to... Yep, wasted his skill. And caught it. Now, once I get my second skill, it'll be a lot easier to deal with this guy. No jump? No jump, okay. Now, I've gotten myself into a little bit of a pickle, but thank goodness. You really do have to be careful with Carmilla in the early game, because she is not tanky one bit. Okay, let's go stun Tigreal. Yep, no idea why he did that. He just burns his stun. Okay, very nice. So he burns his flicker, well played. Now let's check out enemy red. Yeah, he's here. Could I? Yeah, his teammates are all gone anyways. Oh, come on, he missed. So, NR. And it should be... Yeah, you need to be careful with Johnson's damage, bro. So he burns Sprint. I wouldn't recommend just burning Sprint like this. Oh, what the heck? Okay, so burned his passive, and yeah, Tigreal with damage is no joke after his scaling buff. So now that I know that Nana doesn't have her passive, it should be a lot easier. Okay, take turtle, please hurry up. I can't hold. Dude, he's gonna die to turtle, man. Fucking turtleitis. I should have just taken Cho's minions, holy. Okay, so Layla is there. Layla has no mana, so... Okay, that's half her health. Now, Clint can easily stall the minions. And we'll go up to Tigreal, because for some reason he's got a lot of gold. What the heck? I'm gonna help Zask take his minions. Okay, stun him. Get ready. Okay, I think Nana will get her passive back in like 20 seconds. It's like 150 seconds now. Okay. Alt me please. Okay, very nice. So, Johnson's coming down. No one's too surprised about that. He crashes? What? How? Why? If I can bait his second skill, that'll be amazing. Alright, let's see now. Okay, no, I need to head down. And I'm really lacking in gold. Okay. Okay, very nice. Dodged both stuns. Now Nana has her passive again, so I'm just gonna head down. Layla has flicker. That's so dumb. Okay, so Johnson's coming up 100p. Okay. Interesting choice to crash there. I guess it works. Okay, I'm gonna make sure Johnson is... Okay. I'm really running low on mana. Oh, nice. Okay, I'm really running low on mana. I know Zask wants to... Oh, sorry, not Zask, Roger, and I'm gonna hold the minions first. Dude, what the heck is... What? Why do you burn Flicker, my friend? Don't go close. Okay, now it's time to farm Thunderbelt. I know Johnson wants to hit me, and I hope he does. Yeah. I've not been able to farm Thunderbelt. Oh, man. It's because these guys hurt so much. I think I better get Dominant Size first. Alright. Unlucky, I guess. Oh my goodness, what are these doing? Okay, jump. I got them in the ult, but they are... Okay, very nice. Very good damage. Unfortunate, no mana. So we're gonna head off first and head down because my marksman is now struggling. Oh jeez. Well, I mean, this team is kind of working for them. Like, sure, late game, I think they'll probably have some problems, but for then. Okay, Layla, bad idea. Just free Thunderbolt stacks. Okay. Can I take Roger? I could. Okay, now I run. Dash? No dash. Now Clint should immediately run, considering the fact that... Okay, very nice, now I get out. And where is Roger? Is Roger gonna come? Roger. Okay, nope, not risking it. I don't have enough damage yet. No, I want to eat Franco's ult. Or someone. Okay. Come on. Unlucky. Unlucky. So, Roger's here. If I'm face tanking red buff, it doesn't really matter. Okay, dash. Okay, dash. To this Tigrealis. Okay, I want him to crash into me. Okay, so it's time to run. Very nice. Max value engage. And I'm out of mana, so I'm gonna have to recall for a bit. We're doing fine, I guess. The issue now is that Tigreal somehow has more more cold than me, which is crazy. Holy dude, 349 physical attack. Gee whiz, man. So glad I brought Purify. Yeah, I mean she's basically dead. Okay, no flicker. Okay, got her. Now I get out. They shouldn't engage. Like guys, bottom lane. These guys really don't care about lanes, huh? Oh well, such is the state of players now in this game. Don't care. Okay, now I hope you crash into me, because... Okay, they're kinda cooked. Got her. Okay, now I can finally run. Now late game, Layla and Roger are gonna be a bit of a problem. But for now, they're okay. Yeah, no, don't do this. Ult him, please. Okay, got him. Okay, Tigreal is just cooked. Very nice. Lamo, okay. So brute force will do just fine. He'll do just nicely. I could probably just push lanes now. Dude, I'm actually dead out of mana. Holy. And I can't do much about it. Wait, I think that we should actually retreat. Because Lord is here and we need our jungler, right? So we gotta obviously prepare for Lord. So it logically follows that you shouldn't like do anything too committal. Okay, I guess that works, huh? What the heck? Okay, Tiger. Okay, Cho's gonna get himself killed. If I stay near this jungle, I should be fine. Yeah, like, I'm completely fine. That's so crazy. I'm so stupid. Well played. I'm actually dumb. Why did I pop Purify so early, man? Am I stupid? I might actually be stupid. Oh my days, dude. Holy. Unreal. Gave him gold too. Like, that was like what? 320 gold, at least. Gee whiz, man. What am I doing? Oh no. I gave him Sky Piercer too. What the bad gameplay. Holy. Okay, I think Layla might try pushing. And she does have Sea Halberd, so I gotta be wary of that. She doesn't have Berserker's Fury though, which is it's pretty nice, I guess. No, you're not running away. I guess he is. So Layla. Okay. Okay, very nice. Okay, very nice. She's got a bit of damage. I need my ult. I know these guys are really coming. So, yep. That's a lot of damage, holy. What do you mean protect teammates? I'm getting cocky, dude. I don't care. Yeah, okay, that was the stupidest rush of my life. I fucking ulted one guy. Alright, come in. Hell no. Oh my god, dude, my teammates are getting absolutely blasted by a tank building damage. What is this? Okay, gotta get them clumped up. Alright, now get out. Now I think Tigreal is easy picking. So is Nana. Okay, got her. Now these guys, don't underestimate their damage output. Because I am out of mana. Very nice. I think they might assume that I've recalled. And I hope I really do make it back on time. Huh. Okay, so He's driving. I might actually have to get chastised pauldrons because this is not looking good for me. Yeah, this is not looking good for me, man. Holy. Okay, crash, crash. So Layla, if she doesn't run, she's just dead. Okay, got her. Very nice. Okay, time to run. Alright. Thank you, Cho! I love you. I'm stupid, sorry. Sorry. Yeah, that was my fault. I got cocky. Right, so burst-wise, very painful. Okay, so he does have all his items, which is why he hits so hard. So I might just consider getting blade armor, because he does crit. So crit, crit. I guess this is like basic attack, tangentially related to basic attacks. Whatever, don't care. So, I gave them like 240 gold. Not the best showing. Oh, goodness gracious, man. Oh, nah, brother. Yeah, he's just dead. Friend, no. Ah, goodness gracious. My, my goodness, are you kidding me? Oh well. There's that, I guess. So it's free lord for them. Oh, goodness. Okay, so I think Johnson might... Dude! Oh, he got lord! Okay, very epic. Unfortunately, he was involved in a traffic accident. Yeah, no way I'm letting you get away. I'm not letting you get away. Yeah. I don't care about the tower deck. Okay, so it should be pretty GG for them. I have Purify, so don't worry about me. All we need to do is just take this tower. Take this tower. That's all I care. Okay. Dude, Roger's coming out. Oh, hell no. So if Roger's coming out, they gotta be careful, because this guy hits like an absolute truck. Okay. No, you just gotta stop, not do anything stupid. Okay, so Johnson, they think I've rotated up, but in reality, I'm just here. If I see Johnson, I'm going to take the hit. Yeah, bye, Tegriel. Yeah. I'm out of mana, dude. Hell no, I'm out of mana, bro. Oh, nah. I need mana. I don't need health, I need mana. Goodness gracious. Okay, so tank for this minion. Oh, get him, get him, get him. Oh, yeah. Okay, so now we get out, because... Oh, goodness gracious. Yes, good. That was a very good ult by Hayabusa. Nice one. I think Clint also did a lot of damage, so that's really good. Played well. Okay, what the heck? Okay, so I want you to take Lord, and I will push this lane's minions. Because we all know just how potent Johnson can be in terms of like laning. Like the guy can probably take Layla and just backdoor us from the bottom lane. Right, so this guy coming down. I have a few seconds off in Purify, so I don't want to do anything stupid yet. Actually, wait, hold on. I know you want to come here. So if they send Roger to me, they don't have a retribution. Run the goodness gracious. Okay, so they don't have. What do you mean roam, nigger? Oh my goodness. Dude, don't. Oh my goodness. Room cosplay fighter. Yeah. What do you expect me to do then? Don't fight. Don't fight. Don't fight. Don't fight. Don't fight. Don't fight. Please don't fight. I wonder if Layla's there. Do not. Ah, goodness gracious. I mean, Zask's criticisms are legitimate. It's just that I have no choice but to do this, because... Well... Because the answer's pretty self-evident, huh? God damn it. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna protect the marksman, because without him, he's just... sitting duck. Marksman, I need you here right now. I need you here to defend. Please, 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 just come down and defend, please. Don't die to Roger. Don't die to Roger, man. Okay, hit me. Hit him! Yes! Well played. Oh my god, are you serious? It still happened? No, if I see Layla, I am dead. If I see Layla, I'm just dead. Yep. Oh my god, bro. What are you on? Dude, some kind of crazy juice, man. You guys are on some next level crazy juice. Okay, I need my teammates if I want to do anything. Okay. Okay. Defend. Very nice. Defend. Come on, lock in. You got this, bro. Come on, lock in. Don't care about Nana. Don't care. Lock the heck in. Right? We got this. Lock in. So Roger is the problem. If Roger is the problem, then I guess we'll have to take him out. And the answer to taking him out is Clint. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to tank for Clint, because I know the car is somewhere. So please clear the minions. I'll scout for you. Okay, 100% coming. Ah, goodness gracious. Dude, how do you not see a giant car coming down? Are you... At this point, I have no idea what they're doing, man. No. Yeah, he's dead. Oh, nah, bro. Oh. What are even is going on? Okay, I'm gonna recall because I know. Dude, they're gonna try and backdoor us. It's not gonna be easy to defend this either. We need to clear top lane. Top lane, top lane, top lane, top lane, top lane, top lane. Good. Okay, Tigreal's there. That means his teammates are near. No, don't attack Lord just yet. Okay, so they're there. Okay. Okay, very nice. Oh, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. With me here, they won't be able to break through. What we need now is defense. We need to defend. I think they bought enough time too. Hell no. Wait, there might be a chance. There actually might be a chance. Wait, there are two teammates down. We might be able to get this if we don't die to Roger, and if we don't get AoE'd by Nana. This is actually winnable. I just need to catch them in one good ult. Okay, take Lord down. Johnson is coming out. And when Johnson comes out, I will be using Purify. Ugh, no, no, no! Okay, I will be... Don't die, please. Okay, very nice. So we've got Roger. That's one of the problems dealt with. Now the other problem is Layla. Oh no, no! Yeah, we're in trouble now, huh? We're 100% in trouble now. Oh no. Brother, what the heck is going on, man? Oh nah, dude. Seriously? What the heck? I don't have Purify, so I can't really dodge this next hit. So I know the car is somewhere around here. I don't think it's winnable now. Dude, run away. What are you doing? Oh, what am I supposed to do? Wait. Wait, top lane? Oh, no, but they're there. Could I burst them somehow? I'm not too sure I could. Very nice. I don't care if I get stuck. It doesn't matter. I think we win this. We win these! We win these! We win these! We win these, bro! We win this! Lock in! Lock in! Lock in! Yeah! Holy, what a game! Oh my goodness, 30 minutes long. This recording's been on for 30 minutes. What a game! What a game! Oh my goodness. Oh, what the heck? Oh. Well, my teammates played well. Good game to you guys. Holy. Wow. Dude, despite these tanks playing like basically a damage build, they were really dangerous. Like, it just goes to show, man, like, you can't judge a player by his build. Wow, oh my goodness, that was a heck of a game. Alright, let's see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.